Thanks for tuning in to the Maryland Injury Attorney Podcast. This is your host and attorney, Jobeth Bowers, talking to you about a variety of topics involving Maryland injuries, how to prepare for them, how to handle them after they've happened, and everywhere in between. Today, we're going to talk about the different types of accidents that my office handles here. And these are accidents throughout the state of Maryland. They come in a variety of ways. Obviously, the simple car-on-car accident. We handle those all the time. We've got chain reactions where there's multiple vehicles involved. So somebody rear ends somebody into somebody else. We've had accidents that we've handled here where not even in the same lane of travel in the same direction, an accident happens, forcing a vehicle across the road and into our clients. We've got accidents that involved trucks, tractor trailers, commercial vehicles like a UPS, a FedEx, or even these Amazon trucks that are driving around all the time, motorcycle accidents, and everywhere in between. It's important, super important in many of these accidents, especially some of those commercial vehicle accidents, that you contact our office immediately after the accident. There are certain pieces of evidence that exist in those trucks that don't exist in normal vehicles. And these are things that if we are not immediately informing the owner and the insurance company of this commercial vehicle that we want that information, I'm talking about black box data that exists in all of these trucks, we don't get it. They are completely allowed after a certain period of time to just jettison this information that may be pivotal and critical in proving your case if they're not told to reserve and keep that information from day one. We may not get that information on day one, but it's important that we tell them, don't destroy this. If they do somehow destroy it, and we've told them not to, if we take this case to trial, we get to tell the jury, hey, they destroyed the information that we asked them to preserve. You need to assume the worst. And that is an actual jury instruction when that situation happens. So again, you cannot wait, because if a month goes by, if 2 months go by, and that request and that notice has not properly been given to the owner of that commercial vehicle and to their insurance company, they can get rid of the information. And I can guarantee you, if they have the opportunity to get rid of the information, they're going to get rid of the information. So if you're in one of these accidents, and we're even seeing this more and more with normal consumer vehicles, if they've got those little plug-in things that will monitor you for driving safe, that is information that we can obtain. And we've started requesting it from day one from every insurance company for every case that we handle. Super important, same rules apply. You got to contact us right away, because if 2 months, 3 months, a year goes by and we're requesting that information, they're going to tell us, hey, sorry, it's gone. And it probably is. So that's the helpful advice that we got for you today. This was the Maryland Injury Attorney Podcast. Please tune in and subscribe. That way you can get more of these helpful tips and information. Thank you.